Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best electric nail guns that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the 120-volt professional electric stapler by Roberts. This is a 120-volt 15-amp professional electric stapler for securing a variety of flooring including carpeting. It features the 85 staple capacity and quick release. The bottom loading magazine is fast reloading. On top of that, the ergonomic, non-slip, plastic handle with an elastic hold provides maximum comfort and control when you are working. Moreover, the heat-treated mallet system shoots 20 checks, 3/16 crown staples. Important. Just use DuoFast or SUREBONDER staples to limit the probability of sticking. Moving on at number 4, we have the electric brad nailer, staple gun by Noimaster. The Noimaster NTC0023 is a cordless staple for convenience use. The battery-operated pneumatic nailer does not require a blower, control line, hose, and so forth, which is very convenient for you to reach anywhere you want. Moreover, it is durable and quickly charged within 90 minutes and up to 1100 shots per charge. It can work with 1/4, a crown staple from 5/8 to 1 inch and 18-gauge brad nail from 5/8 to 1-1/4. In addition, it features the safety pole setting, which means that the trigger can only be triggered if the safety pole is fully pressed. With the non-damaging elastic nose, that gives perfect completion every time you work. At number 3, we have the cordless brad nailer kit with battery and charger by Porter Cable. The electric nail gun from Porter Cable PP790LA doesn't need the compressor in order to operate. This is a cordless brad nail gun with battery power to eliminate the need for compressor, hose, or expensive gas cartridges. Moreover, the depth adjustment of this tool wheel allows you to properly countersink nails consistently with a diameter of 18 gauge. It also features a tool-free release lever, jam release, and depth adjustment wheel to assist your work journey and make your life easier. In addition, it comes with a 1.5 Ah 20 volts max lithium-ion battery that would last longer than NiCad. The charge is included in the kit. Last but not least, it also comes with a belt hook for you to carry around. At number 2, we have the brad nailer kit, Best Electric Nail Guns by BOSTITCH. The BOSTITCH BTFP12233 uses the smart point technology for easy nail placement due to a smaller nose and you don't have pack the contact outing to impel the tool. Moreover, it propels 18 Gauss small nails from 5/8 to 2-1/8 extent. It also comes with a device-free jam release which helps you scrub your nail and jamming. Moreover, the kit also includes a nail gun, 1/4, air fitting, sample fastener, carrying case, and extra no-mar tips. In addition, it also has dial-a profundity control for the exact countersinking of nails. And finally at number 1, we have the Finish Nailer Kit, Electric Nail Guns by DEWALT. This tool features the free motor which keeps the work surface from staining and it is pretty durable. Moreover, it additionally includes the instrument-free profundity of drive change with detents for the legitimate setting of nail heads and the apparatus-free jam discharge component for simple nail removal. On top of that, the rear exhaust to keep contamination away from work, and it drives 18-gauge nails from 5/8 to 2 inches length. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.